Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our virtual assemblies. We have our school captains and a couple of other people here to help. Why don't you introduce yourselves and then we can begin. Hey, Ava, let's go with you.
Pardon?
Let's start with you, Ava, and then Ashton.
Okay. I'm Ava. Welcome to the Harkway Primary School Assembly. In lockdown again for the fourth time.
Well done, Ava. Thank you. Ashton, what's your name?
My name's Ashton, and I'm the sports captain, and welcome to the assembly.
Well done, Ashton. Thank you. And we got Keely and Jarvis. Take us away, Keely and Jarvis.
You go first. Okay. All of us at Harkway Primary School would like to say thank you to the Bungarong and Wandering people, tribes of the Cool Nation, for our shady land. We promise to look after it, the people and the animals too. We promise to care for.
We promise to care
The land.
and
The sky.
The sky.
Ourselves.
And
And each other.
each other. Right, we'll sing the national anthem at home by ourselves. Oh, what's this we've got here? Let's have a look at our VEX Worlds Competition 2021. Count us in, please, Ava.
3, 2, 1.
Well, we've just taken our masks off and finished our attempt for the Worlds at the 2021 VEX Robotics Competition, VEX IQ. Here's the team to talk about their experiences.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Lucas.
And we just competed in the VEX Robotics 2021 World Championship with this bot. When we worked together in skills, we scored a total of 8 points, and when we did our autonomous, we scored 9 points. Bye. Hi, I'm Lenny.
And I'm Adrian.
Adrian, how do you feel after this VEX competition?
Alright.
Alright, yeah, how many points did you score?
1.
Yeah. Did you have a nice time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm wondering, Adrian, how many other 7-year-olds do we know that were competing in the world competition?
I don't know.
And you know what? The judge didn't think there were any other 7-year-olds competing, did she? So fantastic. Congratulations on being probably the youngest competitor in the 2021 VEX Worlds Robotics Competition. Well done. Yeah, big shout out to Adrian.
Hello, my name is Noah,
And my name is Caleb.
and we just competed in the World Championships. I scored about 1 point.
And I scored 9.
What did we feel, boys? How are you feeling as being part of the team?
I'm feeling really proud, as well as I felt a bit stressed while driving.
And I felt pretty much the same.
Yeah. And yet, you were there and you did it. Congratulations. Yay!
Hi, my name's Lily, and I'm Daisy.
So, Daisy, how did it feel? Good? That's good. Well, what was your favourite part of being a part of the team? Driving. And how many points did you score?
I scored,
I think about 6. Oh, that's pretty good. Good job. With me, because we were partners in the driving, it was pretty stressful because when I got to drive the bot stopped working all of a sudden, so I had to try and fix it while not being able to touch it on the field, but it was still pretty fun. And then for autonomous, we got 2 points, which is pretty cool.
Well done. Yay!
Hi, I'm Penelope. And I'm Ava. And I scored about 1 point. And I scored 1.2.
How did it feel to be part of the World Championships?
Exciting. Good.
Representing your nation. Just like the Olympics. And what are you looking forward to, Adrian?
Probably getting more people in the group. Maybe getting some more points.
Excellent. Yay!
Hi, my name's Maddie. I'm Ruth. And I'm Lexi. I'm really excited. I was really excited because today was my first competition for VEX.
And your first ever competition was actually on the world stage as an Australian champion.
Same with mine. This is my first competition too.
Wow! Harkaway kids are awesome kids. What about you, Lexi?
It's my second.
Oh, what are you looking forward to, team?
Don't know.
Ruth?
I'm
All will be revealed on Sunday. All right, well done, team. All together. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Insert fireworks emoji here. Well, that was an extraordinary effort by our team to be there so early and do really, really, really well. In our division, we came about middle of the field. The only other Australian group, a club up in Sydney, they actually came first in the world. So we're doing really, really well. Well done. Fantastic. All right, back to you, Keely. Jarvis, what's next?
Let's do the awards. Who wants to start? No? Okay. This certificate of merit is presented to Tom B for being highly engaged in Zoom meetings and helping out with the mulch at school. You are a star.
Well, who's going to do the next one? I'll do it.
I can.
All right, go jump in
can.
there, Jarvis.
We can't fully read it.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm reckoning though, it's a beautiful and creative Chinese poster about the weather. Keep up the super effort, Keely. 你是很厉害的，太好了，谢谢你的。Which means you're very skillful, very well done. Thank you.
Do I do this one?
Yes, please.
This certificate of merit is presented to Lewis B for engaging with the online learning content and sharing your imaginative ideas for board games with us this week. Such creativity.
Fabulous. Well done, you.
I'll
Aston?
do this one.
Yep.
This certificate of merit is presented to Ruben for all-round fantastic work with remote learning. There isn't one task you have not given your best shot at. What a champ.
Well done.
I'll
Ava?
do the next one. This certificate of merit goes to Henry. For great initiative with your science experiments, you are quite the static electricity expert.
Ooh, what a bright spark.
Is it okay if I do the next one? For this persistence award is presented to Gracie for your commitment to your learning during lockdown and your fabulous. Oh, I can't really read it because hold on.
Story.
You guys. A fabulous story told from the perspective of a ladybug. Sensational effort, Grace.
Well done.
Sorry, you guys are in the way. That's me.
This certificate of merit is presented to Caleb for your proactive and enthusiastic approach to your learning. You have set impressive examples to follow. Well done.
Well done, Caleb.
This organisation award is presented to Matthew for using your initiative to create a Kahoot for the seniors classroom. We love how you think of different ways to keep our team engaged, Maddie.
Way to go.
This long award is to Lily McToldridge for being such an energetic and positive participant in our Zoom meetings. We really appreciate how willing you are to share your ideas, especially the ones that make us laugh.
No, well said. Oh, did I miss one? There you go.
This Gain Alon Award goes to Lola Harley Williams for always demonstrating a positive attitude and mindset towards your learning. We have loved hearing your encouraging messages on our Zoom catch-ups.
Fantastic. Okay, Lola.
This sports award is presented to Matthew C for your impressive effort with creating a sports Kahoot for all of the seniors to play during lockdown. Superstar.
Okay, Maddie. Well, we don't have the birthdays at the moment, so we'll catch up with those next week. Well, could be a good time though. So listen to Mr. Hess. What do you think?
Sure.
Sure.
In fact,
Yep.
if you go to our website and the very front page at the bottom, you will see our slide deck for each assembly. You'll find any announcements in there as well. So you can push on play here and listen to Mr. Hess sing along our song.
Luke's made a request. There's many Aussie schools out there, and we found the best. Surrounded by big countries, come see and be our guest. We're a small school a half away, but we have so much fun. We've been around for many years, the best is yet to come.
Let's hear it.
By the way we are true, take pride in us, pride in our community, and by the way our history is so long. It's my school, it's my friend, it's where we all belong.
I'm just going to pause it there because we'll run out of space on the hard drive. Oh, sorry, Luke. So, fantastic. Anything before we wrap up for today, team?
No, I think that's it. Just good job, everyone, for the week of remote learning. It's been a bit hard for going back to do all this, so we only have another week to go. So good job, everyone, for committing to that.
First week's down, one more to go. We've got this.
Yeah,
You can
love
do
it. What was that, Ava?
You can do this.
And big thumbs up there from Ashton. Well done. So, yes, it is tough. I am inspired by the number of you who are getting onto your Zoom meetings. Super important that you catch up with each other. And if you like, of course, there's the science slide deck as well with a couple of competitions on there too. Really excited about, looking forward to everything that's going to happen when we all get back in due course. So stay safe, be well, and hang out. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.